So, as you guys know, your hitch is already broken, right? And one of the main things that go bad on a hitch is this right here, which is the pin. Pretty much that, right? You can fix this. This is easy to fix. All you need is you need to get a they call them spring bar locking device. That's what's called. It's about 15 bucks. You know, if you get it in the mail, it should get there in 3 days. If you buy it in the store, you can do it right away. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna extract this little pin here, because this is the one that broke. And you're gonna put a new one in there with this kind of washer. I think goes here. Boom. Okay, so right now I want to try to fix it. I'm trying to show you guys how to do it. Get a nail, and you're gonna hit that motherfucker. Now they say it's not gonna be easy. See? There. There. You gotta get something which is the same, around the same size. So otherwise it's not gonna work. Wow. Let's see. You know, if I want to buy one of these, spec to spec, we're almost there. Ah, more W40 or what? Man, these have proven to be. This is what I'm working on. Trying to push that. I don't know if you can see it. That pin right there.